Torn shoes on a dusty road, tiny feet that bear the load. Eyes too young to know this pain, still they look for light through rain. But hands reach out across the land, hearts that give, not just stand. A meal, a hug, a hopeful word, kindness louder than the hurt. Humanity, a quiet flame, lifting those without a name. With every act, a brighter day, chasing dark and fear away. But hands reach out across the land, hearts that give, not just stand. A meal, a hug, a hopeful word, kindness louder hear the hurt. Let the children laugh again, build a world where love won't bend. You and I, we hold the key to give them joy, to let them be free. So be the light, walk that mile, and give a child a reason to smile. Hands reach out across the land, hearts that give, not just stand. A meal, a hug, a hopeful word, kindness louder than the hurt, and give how
One blade, one child, one fading cry, beneath the sun where hope runs dry. Empty hands and hollow eyes, dreams are small beneath the skies, but still they share a broken crust. Hearts of gold, though life's unjust. Save the children, hear their name. No child should hunger in this flame.